Roger L. Howe was born in 1935, the youngest of three sons born to Francis and Elgin Howe. He grew up on a farm 40 miles west of Cleveland. His mother was a school teacher and then a commercial artist before marrying, and his father was a sales executive. His entrepreneurial spirit first surfaced as a young boy when Roger enthusiastically decided to enter into the hog business. He won many blue ribbons at the county fairs, but he suffered an $800 loss nearly 50 years ago when $800 was a lot of money, and decided his future was not in farming. Mr. Howe graduated from Miami University in 1957 with a Bachelor of Science degree in Business Administration. Roger also received a good business education outside of the classroom when he and two friends opened the Oxford Cycle Center. It was a huge success, with students frequently waiting in line to buy a bike, and it's still in business today as the Cycle Center. It was during his sophomore year at Miami that he met his wife, Joyce, a fine arts major. They were married 2 weeks after graduation and had 4 children. Following college, Roger had a brief stint in the Army and then went to work for a Boston-based paper manufacturer, the S.D. Warren Company. He worked there for 13 years in a variety of positions, such as a salesman, district sales manager, product manager, and then as advertising manager. Howe's desire to run his own company brought him back to Cincinnati in 1970. He was looking for a business that wasn't a startup, had a specialized product, and the potential to go national. U.S. Precision Lens didn't look like the best choice. It was operating in the red with only 12 employees. But the fact that IBM, RCA, Polaroid, and Xerox were all doing a little business with them made Roger think that there was something worthwhile there. After purchasing the company, he wanted to get the word out to the world about what his company did. He decided to write to the engineering trade magazines and get articles published for free that would feature interesting pictures taken of the plastic optics they were producing. The results were almost immediate, and the company started to grow rapidly. Within 9 months, he was out of the red, and within 13, he built a new factory in Claremont County. Roger brought in some of the best engineers in the business and developed the company from one with very little technology to a high-tech leader with the most automated optics factory in the world. Under Roger's leadership, they became the leading designer and manufacturer of plastic lenses. Their most precisely made optics have been used in camera lenses, fiber optic connectors, supermarket checkout scanners, handheld calculators, security systems, and many kinds of instruments. Today, U.S. Precision Lens has over 1,000 employees and is a wholly owned subsidiary of Corning Incorporated. They are also the world's leading manufacturers of plastic glass optical systems for projection TV, serving virtually every manufacturer in the U.S., Europe, and Japan. When President Ronald Reagan visited Cincinnati in 1988, he visited U.S. Precision Lens because of their outstanding success in export trade and the creation of quality jobs. In 1997, U.S. Precision Lens also won an Emmy for inventing the optics system that made the growth of the projection TV industry possible. Mr. Howe is a much sought-after advisor and has served and continues to serve as a member of the board of directors for many prestigious companies. He has also been an active participant in a number of other civic organizations in the greater Cincinnati area. Roger was on the board of the Health Alliance of Greater Cincinnati and is a trustee and past chairman of the Christ Hospital, the Elizabeth Gamble Deaconess Home Association, and the James N. Gamble Institute of Medical Research. In 1987, he received an honorary Doctor of Laws degree from Miami University and also gave the commencement address. Roger and his wife Joyce have endowed a chair for both the English department and the business school to help improve the written communication skills of the students there, and he serves as a member of Miami's Board of Trustees. Roger Howe's success can be attributed to his attention to details, pursuit of quality, ethics in business, as well as his outstanding marketing and managerial skills. These qualities not only helped Roger turn a struggling company into a worldwide leader in its industry, but also are the skills that enabled him to touch the lives of so many people in the greater Cincinnati community.